going on YouTube. Today working on this 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. We were changing out the brake rotors. So I actually have a video on this on how to change out the brake pads. So you just want to repeat those same steps. Take the wheel off, expose your caliper here. There's 2 bolts on the side. This one here for the caliper is a 14 mil. Take that out. So take these 2 14 mils out. Completely remove the caliper. Take that out. Shouldn't be too tight. Just kind of beat it out a little bit, and it'll come free. Put those to the side. The whole caliper can come off now. Set it down there. You can also take your pads out. Put those to the side. Free up some room. All right, so back here you have 17 mil, keeping on that caliper bracket, and the same at the bottom right here, another 17. So 17 here and 17 at the top. Get those 2 17 mils removed. Go ahead and move your bracket to the side. Caliper has these 2 screws in them. Try not to strip these out. I know a trick to not stripping them out. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So for these stuck screws, or if the screw is kind of seized, you kind of just put your screwdriver in here and get a hammer and tap it back, and that'll free it up. I don't have 2 hands right now, so I kind of have to explain it to you rather than show it to you, but that's how you get these seized screws out of here. All right, got those 2 rotor screws out. Rotor's free. Take that off, put that to the side. Grab your new rotor here. You got your new rotor here, so you want to line up the screw holes, screws on the actual hub themselves. You can see you have screw hole there, screw hole there. Grab your screws and secure them back. Rotor's on, so everything you just do in reverse order. Grab your bracket. So just from this point on, you just do everything in reverse order. Hardware back in, caliper back on, put the caliper hardware back in, button everything down, and you'll be good to go. Off, throw that to the side. Grab the caliper from the back, wrap that back around these pads here. Grab your hardware, throw it in the top. Grab the 14 mil. And you're done. It's brake pads and rotors on the 2007 Santa Fe. Till next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. SoCar Repairs. Peace out.